Wow, talk about an important lesson. Do you understand? Now, you're going to say that. Well, I imagine you can guess the situations in which you would say that. You're going to be talking to people, and they may have a blank look on their face, and you're going to say, do you understand? To clarify it. Or they'll be talking to you, and they'll see a blank look on your face, and they'll ask you, do you understand? And either way, you're going to need to know how to say this, right? Kaujai mai kap if you're a man, and kaujai mai ka if you're a girl. This is one word right here, kaujai. Kaujai. Cow is a falling tone. Jai, flat tone. So that's your normal tone of voice. So kaujai. Kaujai. Next word is mai. It's a rising tone. Mai, your voice goes down and then comes back up. So kaujai, falling tone, flat tone, mai. And then, of course, you know your polite particles. If you're a man, high tone, kap. And if you're a woman, ka. And of course, the exception for a woman is if she is asking a question, she has the option to say ka, high tone as well. All right? Those are the tones.
เข้าใจไหมเข้าใจไหมเข้าใจไหม
เข้าใจไหมเข้าใจไหมเข้าใจไหม
Kaujai means to understand. Kaujai. Now that's actually two words mashed together. Kau means to enter, to reach, to get into. Okay? Kau, falling tone. Kau. And then jai means your heart, your mind, your spirit. Kaujai means it has entered your heart, meaning, you got it, right? You understand. And then mai, rising tone, that acts as a question word because they don't have the question mark in Thailand. They don't use that. You can see the top line there, the Thai script, no question mark. So they use words, question words, like, well, we use question words in English too, like who, what, when, where, why, and how. Those can be used as question words, right? So mai. The first definition does not translate into English, but it makes it a question, word. So kaujai means to understand, and kaujai mai means do you understand, because it turned it into a question. And as you know, probably the second meaning for the word mai is silk. Just a little bit of ear training, shall we?
เข้าใจไหมเข้าใจไหมเข้าใจไหม
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 So repeat after me if you would. Kaujai mai kap. Kaujai mai kap. Kaujai mai kap. Now you saw I said cup without an R, and I said krap with a slight rolling R. You can even say krap if you want. All of those are just fine. And ladies, of course, you made the necessary change in that, right? The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, thetailanguage.com. thetailanguage.com.